What is good? What is good? What is good? King C. Joshua Trade Lord himself come to you guys live. Um, I'll go over some of my charts. That's something I haven't done in a while. And yeah, let's get into it. Still trading the Robin Trap strategy. And I'll be going over the rules again. And basically, bottom line of what I'm waiting for this week, trading wise. And yeah, let's get into it. I have a couple challenges that I'm doing, so let's do it. Um, So right now, I'm on GBP JPY. This is actually a pair I haven't traded in a while because we're still in this, stagnant, basically of doing nothing phase. And the reason why, I'll explain that right now, right? So right now, we're on the monthly chart on GJ, right? And monthly chart, we're up structure. Right now, this is the high. Last two candle formation that was bearish was right here, and it's the low. So that's the breaker structure point for the monthly, and that's the high for the continuation mark. And right now we just dropped down. We're at a nice 38.2 retracement so far on this monthly fib. Probably lower, like 50% right there. Let me yeah, do that. And then if I drop down to the weekly, we are down structure. We had this high, we had this low down here. We broke structure right here with this two confirmation, and yeah. So that's what's going on here. So we're up structure on the monthly, down structure on the weekly. On the daily, we are up structure too as well, same as the monthly. And this is the high. Last two confirmation was here. So and price is currently right here on the daily. We had this big daily candle coming down, so it is looking at approach to break structure. If that's saying, if it break structure, then we'll have the monthly up structure, but the weekly down structure, the daily down structure, and the 4 hour would be down structure at that point too at the time. So that means, we have three of the four horsemen going down, and that's when we want to react to that point on the 1 hour, right? But we go to the 4 hour right here. If 4 hour somehow comes up and the daily structure here does its thing with the daily bearish, the bullish structure, we're looking to basically shoot up and do a nice daily continuation. But in order to do that, we need to break structure on the 4 hour right here, which is this the low. Last two confirmations here, and yeah, that's the situation on this thing, and that's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for a 4 hour breaker structure or daily. Or a daily breaker structure, right? Daily's the orange line, 4 hours the blue line. I already have alerts set on them. If I go to the alert itself, this is what I would get from my phone to take action, right? But we haven't traded this pair in quite some time. It's been a couple months now, and but it's looking to do stuff very soon, right? And we get that reaction. And now, why are we taking also this trade with probabilities wise? Yes, would I be risking 0.5 to make 1%? But the reason why we're doing that is because we had these two winners right here. And now if I have two winners in a row, right? I want to take the next following valid trade. Obviously, see these two right here that I have marked down as lost, but those are not losses that I really took. It's just that's just marking up like okay, it didn't touch the negative 0.3% fib extension, right? for an entry. So it's a miss. So, and I'm just looking to take the next falling valid trade. So we haven't had that in quite a while. So we're just chilling right now. Let me go down to the next pair. What we're doing. All right. So Euro JPY. If I start on the monthly as well, we are up structure on the monthly. All right. We're down structure on the daily. I'm in the weekly, similar as the GJ, right? And Euro JPY is also daily structure is down structure, right? So this is a difference, right? Because the daily structure is up on the last one. This daily structure is down. So we have up structure on the monthly. Weekly is down structure. Daily is also down structure. And the 4 hour is currently still in down structure with this low. And last two confirmations here. So anything in here that's 1 hour structure, breaker structures are valid. And you can see some winners, some losses, but and then yeah, so that's what's going on right here on this pair. So right now we're down to the 1 hour, right? Now I had one win that we took and we won. Then the second win we won, right? And since we have two, we take the third one. This is invalid because we didn't hit the negative 27 to enter. And then this one's the next valid one and it won. So that's now I have three winners in a row. Great approach there, right? Made good money here on this pair. Now, with three winners in a row, all I'm looking to do now, yeah, this is invalid and it never hit the 20, just mark it up. This is the next valid trade. And this is the current situation right now. And I'm just chilling out and waiting for two losses, right? I want to see two losses. I already had three winners in a row. Yes, this would be a valid trade to like, oh, there's a win right next to it. Just take the next two and see what happens. But I'm not playing that. I'm using my probabilities and staying focused with that. And I want to see the two losses in a row. And if I get a winner, great. I'm still waiting for two losses in a row. Once I see that pattern when I have this win and then two losses in a row, then I'll be, interested in taking the next following big win that happens and then take the next two pairs there or wait for four losses in a row after the win, after the big win, and basically take that, take the next following steps there. But right now we're just chilling out, waiting for two losses in a row. I'm just waiting for this pullback to the negative 23 so it can be an active, and this will be a place where you would enter TP and stop loss. But again, I'm not taking that because I'm waiting for that look. I want that thing to lose. If it doesn't lose, I still gotta wait for two losses in a row on this pair. So it's a bit of a cool down period because we did profit really well here three times. So we're chilling out. USD JPY. If I go, you just start from the monthly again. Monthly structure. We had this high. Last two candles here. We came down, surpassed this low. So we broke structure down. So monthly is down structure. Weekly is also down structure from this high. Last two confirmation was here, and then we have this low, right? And since we had this low, you will see these dojis right here. So this is a doji right here. Actually, it's not a doji. That is interesting. So this is incorrect right here. Okay. This is what I'm talking about. We have an incorrect situation here. So where's oh Okay, I don't have it. I have it right there because I thought the purple line was still up there. So yeah, so we're up structure. Yeah, we have multiple layers here. Yeah, there's the purple line. So there's the purple line. This is the high. We broke structure. So this up structure. Yeah, up structure on the weekly, right? So we're good. I'm good. Yeah, down structure on the monthly, up structure on the weekly. Daily is up structure as well, too, as well. This is the high. This is the last two confirmation. Let's see if this daily start break. 4 hour is down structure. So that means with monthly down structure and daily and weekly is up structure, and the 4 hour is down structure. Realistically, we shouldn't have taken this trade, right? Which was a valid trade to take. But with that being said, um, okay, because the weekly is up structure and daily is still up structure. 4 hours down structure and monthly is down structure. We gotta wait for the 4 hour to break structure back up. Or the daily to break structure down, which will cause the 4 hour to be down structure too with the daily, and then the monthly, ruling out the weekly structure, the weekly up structure. So it's good we're doing this right now because I get to clean up my charts a little bit. So we have down structure here. Um, so I was really looking forward to taking this trade, man. But we gotta wait. Damn it. Let's see. That wasn't a valid trade we took, but even though we want to be following the rules because yeah, that changes everything. Because I did thought the weekly was down structure, and then I scaled this. I look at this doji, which I thought was the doji. Then when I put my cursor on it again, the open and the close is two different numbers, and that's what caused that thing to be okay a break a structure point, which caused this thing to be an up structure now. And daily is still an up structure. The 4 hours down structure and the weekly is down structure too as well. So this is two against two. I need three of them to go in the same direction. So I thought it'd be man enough to delete. You have to delete this and basically delete that. So let me unlock it first. I have to delete this now because that shouldn't have been a trade to take. We gotta wait. Let me get back to the 4 hour because we gotta wait for the 4 hour to break structure up. Because before we were only waiting for the 1 hour, since the 4 hour broke structure here. So technically, Getting some up plays. All right, but just follow the rules. Waiting for a 4 hour breaker. Waiting for a 4 hour breaker structure still. With that being said, let's do this. High is 751. Boom. And we'll still take it. Okay. So we have it set there. Bitcoin. Let's do a little fun on Bitcoin. We're up structure on monthly, up structure weekly, of course, up structure daily. At 4 hours is still an up structure. We're just waiting for this 1 hour continuation. Once you get the 1 hour continuation, then you can play that play. But since you had 1, 2, and 3 winners in a row, 3 is my max. 3 winners in a row. You take this one, win it. Take this one because there's a win after the next one. So you win this one. Oh, you now you got 2 winners in a row. Definitely take this one, and you get a winner out of that. 3 wins in a row. You skip this one, and that's would have been a valid skip. And you definitely don't skip the next play, right? So in this sense, we're waiting for a continuation, and then you're looking to skip the play because you want 2 losses in a row right now. And once you get those 2 losses in a row, the next win that pops up, I'll take the next 2 following setups. After that, 0.5, and then after that one, if you lose it, 1%. And then if you lose that one, or just say you win it, great. If you lose it, okay, chill out. Either wait for 4 winners in a row, right? I mean, four losses in a row. So after those 2, say that you've lost that one, okay, it's 2. You're waiting for 2 more losses, right? And then once you get those 2 more losses, that's 4 in a row. We're 0.5% until keep on doing that for the next 4 setups and see if it wins. If those don't win, have then it'll be 8 losses in a row there. The next following setups, do 0.5, 1% risk, 2% risk, 2.5% risk, and build from there. And do that on every single pair you do, right? So I'm telling you, you don't get it. You don't get it. All right. All right. Let's check this one out for the final one. We're down structure on the monthly. We are down structure on the weekly on this one, right? This is a yellow candle in between this one, so we're not in up structure. So down structure. Daily, you're in up structure, but the 4 hour, you're in down structure, right? So that rules out the daily, right? And you're looking to break the daily structure. You had this nice solid win. You're looking to take this one right after. You're just waiting for that pullback to the 23.6 retracement. All right, that's